Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for trade license in Assam, only way. Begin by identifying your business structure and activity, then collect required identity, address, and business documents. Visit the local municipal office or appropriate licensing authority to obtain application forms and fee details. Carefully fill forms, attach notarized documents, and pay the prescribed fee. Submit the application and follow up using the receipt reference until approval is issued. Gather these essential documents before you apply to avoid delays. Prepare proof of identity, proof of address for owner and business premises, and business registration documents like PAN or GST where required. Include a recent passport photo, tenancy agreement or property ownership proof, and a detailed description of business activities. Make certified copies where necessary and have originals ready for verification at the licensing office to speed up processing today. If this walkthrough is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: Socks Life's too short for cheap socks go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I find them comfy during long paperwork days. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to buy. Thanks for the support, it really helps the channel and keeps content free. Now let's get back to the video. Understand fees and timelines to plan your launch and cash flow. Verify the exact license fee with the local authority, as amounts vary by trade and zone, and note any inspection charges or renewals. Expect initial processing times and potential site inspections, and keep digital and physical copies of submitted forms. Use the provided receipt number to check status, and contact the licensing office politely if there are unexpected delays or additional requirements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.